Good morning, second graders. Today is the day. We have been working really hard on addition and subtraction strategies. And today we are going to take an assessment to show that you know how to solve several problems in at least two different ways. So you should have picked up last week a packet that had some math practice, but it also had 3 assessments. And I want you to look in that packet and I want you to find the one that says 2.CA.1. I believe that I stapled all the assessments together. So just find this one and you can rip it apart from the other ones if you want, because I don't want you to do the other ones. I just want you to do this one. All right, I'm going to walk you through the directions and then you are going to do it on your own. And then I need you to set it aside somewhere safe so that you can return it to me back at school. All right, so here we go. Again, you should have this in front of you. You need a pencil. We're doing addition and subtraction strategies. All right, your name needs to be on it. And then I'd love for you to write the date. So here's number 1. Solve each of the following problems with models and or pictures 2 different ways. So I want you to listen to the directions that I'm going to say instead. Here's the problem 16 plus 31. I want you to show me one way that you can solve that here and one way that you can solve that here. Remember, we've talked about 4 addition strategies. So you're going to choose 2 of those and show me here. Okay. You can pause the video. When you're done, you're going to move on to number 2 and you're going to solve 37 minus 16. And you're going to show me, remember we talked about 3 subtraction strategies. You're going to choose 2 of those, and you're going to show me one way to solve 37 minus 16 and another way to solve 37 minus 16. You can choose any 2 that you want. All right. Next one. It's a multiple choice question. So you're still going to need to solve it by picking one of the strategies, but you will end up circling one of the answers. So the first one is 28 plus 30. So maybe pick one of those 4 strategies and then circle the right answer. Is 28 plus 30 50, 68, 58, or 52? Then after you solve that, you're going to go over to this one. And same thing. I see this says 75 minus 45. So you're going to choose one of our 3 subtraction strategies, solve it, and then circle the right answer. If you don't get one of the answers that's listed here, that means that something's gone wrong and you should try it again or maybe choose a different strategy to solve it. All right, so you'll circle either 45, 35, 30, or 55. All right. Then down here, it says solve the following problem 2 different ways. This problem says 62 minus 38. So just like up top, you're going to choose 2 of the 3 subtraction strategies that we've talked about and learned. And you're going to show me one way to solve 62 minus 38 here and one way to solve 62 minus 38 here. 2 different ways. All right. Then on the back of your paper, we're up here. And you're going to do the same thing. So the problem is 56 plus 27. You're going to choose 2 of the 4 strategies that we've talked about for addition. And you're going to show me one way to solve it here and one way to solve it here. All right. Then down here, I need you to really listen because I'm going to tell you that there's a lot of words here and I want you to ignore most of them, if not all of them. All I want you to do is solve 47 plus 49 in one way. Okay, there's a bunch of words here and it's talking about rounding. Rounding's not a second grade skill, so I don't like this question. So we're just going to focus on the problem, which is 47 plus 49, and you're going to show me one way to solve it, okay, in this box. Then same thing with this. It's asking a bunch of questions. It's talking about what Melanie is doing. I just want you to take 89 minus 32 and show me one of your strategies that you would solve. Okay, 89 minus 32. And then the very last one, there's this problem 64 plus 28. And we've talked about 4 addition strategies. For this one, you need to do 3. Okay, so maybe it doesn't matter which 3 you do, but you need to choose 3 of the strategies that we talked about and learned and show how you would solve 64 plus 28 in those 3 different ways. All right, then when you're done with this, you're going to put it aside. Remember, no one should help you on this. I've given you the directions. Your mom shouldn't help you. Your dad shouldn't help you. Your big sister shouldn't help you. This is what you know. Okay? So if you're confused, then you're just going to need to leave it blank. But you have strategies, and I know that you're really good at using them. So think back, think what the 4 addition strategies are, what the 3 subtraction strategies are. Do your best. I know you'll do great. And when you are done, set it aside for safekeeping so you can hand it back to me. All right, good luck.